is a very lovely domestic animal, but there are wild cats too. Sometimes they are actors also. It seems amazing, right? Then let's know the fact. The Moscow Cat Theatre claims to be the only cat-based circus in the world, which is not correct, but one thing is for certain: the cats who perform in the show do something astonishing tricks. The question that has been raised is how exactly they were trying to do such unusual tricks. The circus has been loudly accused of animal cruelty. Founded by veteran Russian clown Yuri Kuklashev in 1990, the Cats Theatre uses human clowns and feline actors to put on a world-renowned show that has played everywhere from America to Israel. The circus employs 120 cats to perform such stunts as balancing on a ball, walking a tightrope, and posing and dressing up with their human counterparts. Russian bloggers have accused the circus of cruel training methods and inhuman living conditions for the animals. According to Kuklashev, it's the cats that are the ones who really choose what act they perform, and the training process involves just playing with cats until they reveal their special talent to their trainer. As it described to one paper, the trick-or-treat principle does not work with cats. You can only negotiate with them in good faith. For example, if you stop feeding a cat for a day, it will develop stomach and liver pains. If you slap it, you will lose its trust. There is no way to bring a cat to its knees. The critics think that is exactly what Kuklashev is doing. Among them, his former veterinarian, Dr. Nikolai Loginov, who accused Kuklashev of cruelty and having 25 cats put to sleep because they could no longer perform.